Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to import task group from another file in Apache Airflow. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So for example, you created a new file with an Airflow task group, right? The group has a few tasks. Then we have our DAG, and we want to use this task group in this DAG. So the first you need to import. You use from, then the file name, but without extension. In our case is just task group. Then import, and you need to select the task group name, this one. Like this. Then when you define dependencies, you just call this task group as any other task. You need to use parentheses because we are using a task flow API, and this is a function. The same for these tasks. We save the file. No, don't forget to add parentheses if you are using TaskFlow API. So now we are saving the file. And now we want to search for our DAO. And there are no results. Do you know what is the problem here? So if you are using TaskFlow API, you need to call this DAG at the end of the file. No, without this part of code, it will not work. Now we can see our DAG and we can see our task group. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully this video was useful for someone. Thank you for watching.